Hi, my name is Roberto. Right now I will show you how marinate a chicken breast. We need 5 ingredients: lemon juice, salt, pepper, and juice Maggi. And our ingredient principal, chicken. The first step is put all the ingredients in a bowl, like this. And black pepper. In that case, okay. Remember, mix all the ingredients, and right now while we take our chicken breast and put in the mix like this. And this and this more. We will put in a refrigerator for approximately 14 minutes. This is the result after 14 minutes. We can check the texture is changed and the flavor is more strong and absorb all the ingredients, the lemon, the Maggi juice, and salt and pepper ingredients. And this is the final result, and that's it. Thank you for watching.